Hi kids, welcome to Moonbee Planet. Today we'll read Sometime Babies, a book for a new baby. Sometimes babies can be big, sometimes they are small. Sometimes babies can be short, and sometimes they are tall. Sometimes babies can be shy, and sometimes they are jumpy. Sometimes babies can be brave, and sometimes they are grumpy. Sometimes babies can be sweet, and sometimes they are squeaky. Sometimes babies can be bold, and sometimes they are sneaky. Sometimes babies can be loud and stay awake all night. Sometimes babies can be calm and quite sleeping tight. Babies change and babies grow. They are different every day. But you are the baby I love best in every single way. Thank you for listening. Bye bye, kids.